sana lang na nagawa niyang magpaalala, nagawa niyang mag-call out. For me, this kind of behavior that this troll account is doing to SB19 should be called out. I'm very proud of Josh. Makikita talaga natin yung characters ng SB19, the way how they handle issues. Hello mga kakaps ko! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nika, your Tita 18 right here. I am based here in China. So I am one of China 18, alright? So I was very surprised to learn from Chinese 18 about what's going on X. And some of the Chinese 18 are actually on X as well. Yes, we do have VPNs here in China. We can access everything here with no problem at all. Okay, sometimes mahina lang talaga kasi nga yung firewall. So we have to use VPN. So this issue was, I think it happened 2 days ago. And then it was during nighttime. I think I was in bed already. I was like watching my dramas and all, and then suddenly the WeChat group that I am in, which is 18 China, right? Soundbreak 19, 18 China. Suddenly a lot of messages were coming in. It's just a pop, 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 pop. It's just, I said, what's this happening? That night it was crazy. It was just non-stop messages. And when I opened my group chat, I saw a long message, an English message, and I was like, oh, who wrote this? So I asked them, who wrote this? And they're like, no, Josh wrote that. I was like, what? Josh wrote this? And there must be an issue then if he wrote this. So yes, there was an issue that dragged Josh. So there was this troll account in X. Alright, he tried to cut a video from Atin Atin Lang. You know guys what Atin Atin Lang, right? It's the podcast of our Mahalima. So he tried to cut a video there and twisted the story. So he wanted to relay a message that Josh also made an account just to troll their bashers or just to defend themselves. For me, I was like, there's nothing wrong with that. If I want to defend myself, then I can also make another account just to see what the bashers are talking about. They want to paint Josh as that person who just makes an account to troll. No, maybe they have it, but they don't normally defend themselves anymore because 18 are the ones who actually defend Mahalima already. So they don't have to do that. Before, nung kasagsagan ng bashing nila, nung nagsisimula sila, I believe na, kasi nga napag-usapan nila sa atin lang, 'di ba, na gumawa nga sila, or gumawa nga, sino nga bang hindi gumawa ng account para lang makita kung anong pinagsasabi ng mga tao, 'di ba? So, yun nga, pero twist yun ng troll account. So, yun yung nakuha ko. Ay, meron pa palang underlying issue. So, yung nakita ko, so there is this biggest fan of SB19 as well called Angkol, ANGKOL. And there is this biggest troll account of SB19 which is called Angkol, so double A. So, this Angkol posted something about, he was saying that he was very tired of a lot of issues going on and he's gonna go to the PBB house to be one of the housemates there. And then the leader of Bini, Joanna, actually commented, ha 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 ha. So for me, I was like, what is wrong with this one? And I did not even read the comments anymore. I just saw that there were a lot of reposts, a lot of like hearts on ha 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 ha. I was like, is this real? Is this for real? Is this actually the leader of that group? And yeah, it was real. And I was like, okay. So after a minute, I kind of realized that she actually knows that troll account. So she can see that troll account of SB19 is always tarnishing SB19's name. And we all know that troll account actually is from their fandom. For me lang ha, that comment should have never been typed or written or even, posted there. Ha 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 lang naman. She could have just kept that to herself, Pero talagang pinost niya, it means she acknowledged it. It means na nakikita niya yung mga posts ni Uncle. For me lang, kasi imposibleng hindi niya nakikita yung mga pambabash, yung mga pang-tatarnish ni Uncle sa name ng SB19. Imposibleng hindi niya nakikita yon. Kasi ayan nag-comment siya eh. So, nasa algorithm niya. Dapat, instead of commenting, I know hindi siya konektado sa SB19 yung post ni Uncle, but the fact na si Uncle ay biggest troll ng SB19, he's known as an account that just tarnishes SB19's name every friggin' time. Out of all the times na dumaan sa algorithm niya, hindi man lang niya nasaway. 'Di ba? Na we're not going to tolerate you for doing this. Pwede namang sawayin kasi ma-appreciate yun eh. Kasi yung Mahalima, sinasaway, there were a lot of instances that Mahalima actually try to stop 18 from making patol, na hindi na lang patulan, na atin to lahat, na ganyan-ganyan, wala dapat na fandom war, wala dapat ganyan. So talagang, it really shows the character of our Mahalima na they don't engage in fan wars, and they don't tolerate fans who actually start fan wars or who just really try to stir troubles. Sa akin lang, dapat, kung nag-comment siya ng hahaha sa ganun, dapat, meron din sana siyang time na mag-comment ng wag gumanon, wag ganyan yung pinagpo-post niya kasi pipa price tayo. Alam mo yun, nakaka-disappoint lang kasi bakit ganon yung mentality niya, or hindi ba siya nakapag-change ng account niya? Kasi baka meron din siyang second account niya. Sana lang na nagawa niyang magpaalala, nagawa niyang mag-call out if needed. And for me, this kind of behavior that this troll account is doing to SB19 should be called out. Kasi si Uncle ay isang bloomie. Dapat kino-call out siya. Hindi dapat siya nang tatarnish. Hindi dapat siya nang i-stir ng fandom war. Kasi talagang pasimuno talaga siya eh. Siya yung gumagawa talaga ng conflict talaga. I just wish na sana hindi na lang siya nag-comment kasi hindi niya nagawang i-call out si Uncle kasi. So, it just shows how mature our Mahalima is. They're not engaging to any negative issue talaga, and if they really needed to respond to negative issue, it's more about trying to remind everyone that we are all for P-pop rise and we all have one goal here is to elevate the music industry. Hindi mo maiiwasan kasi mga caps na hindi mo ma-connect kasi nababasa ko rin yung mga comments din ng Chinese 18 for them to engage in this kind of issue na talagang wala naman sana talaga silang alam. Pero alam mo yung tinatranslate nila, makikita mo yung pagmamahal din talaga ng Chinese 18 kasi talagang nagtatranslate talaga sila kung anong mga nangyayari, and they do discussions here. Going back, hindi maganda sa image ng girl group na may ganun silang responses sa mga troll accounts. Kasi dapat, ini-ignore yung mga troll account eh. O kaya kino-call out. Hindi naman natin siya nakitang mag-call out kaya Uncle, di ba? I'm just grateful that we have these 5 people, our Mahalima, who are very mature and who are very level-headed and grounded, and they call out people when needed, kung kailangan na talaga. Kasi yung SB19, talaga, ilang beses na ba tayo na call out ng SB19? Kung may toxic fan, di ba? They don't tolerate it. And I just hope na ma-realize ng leader ng GG na yon na parang foul yung nagawa niya kasi it really shows na lumalabas sa algorithm niya yung mga posts ni Uncle, but she's never done any calling out. I'm very proud of Josh. Talagang ini-elevate niya yung image ng SB19. Makikita talaga natin yung characters ng SB19, the way how they handle issues when they are dragged. Sometimes nga tahimik lang talaga sila. Pero kung need na talaga nilang mag-respond to issues, makikita mo yung maturity talaga. So I'm very proud na part ako ng pamilyang to, part ako ng fandom na to. So that's it mga kaps ko. I'll see you guys again next time sa mga hinaing ko or sa ganitong setup ng na hindi ako nagre-react. So, ganito lang. Nag-air out lang ako ng mga naririnig ko din dito kasi nagulat talaga ako. Hindi pa ako mismo yung nakaka-find out ng news. Sila pa talaga yung nakaka-find out ng news dito. So, yeah. I'll see you guys again next time. God bless. Take care. Bye.